Your skin is the first thing people notice, and having clear, radiant, and aesthetic skin is more than just a dream. It's achievable with the right routine. In this guide, I'm going to take you through an easy-to-follow, deep skincare routine that will help you unlock that glowing, healthy look. Whether you're battling acne, dullness, or just looking for a refresh, this is your ultimate roadmap to flawless skin. 1. Morning routine. 1. Cleanser. Use a gentle, hydrating cleanser to remove overnight oil and debris. Example: a gel-based cleanser for oily skin or a cream cleanser for dry skin. 2. Toner. Optional. Balances skin's pH and preps it for other products. Example: alcohol-free toner with calming ingredients like rose water or niacinamide. 3. Vitamin C Serum. Brightens skin, fights free radicals, and boosts collagen production. Example: use a 10 to 20% vitamin C serum. 4. Moisturizer. Locks in hydration and creates a smooth base for sunscreen. Example: lightweight gel for oily skin, richer cream for dry skin. 5. Sunscreen essential, protects against UV damage and prevents premature aging. Choose a broad-spectrum SPF 30+ sunscreen and reapply every 2 to 3 hours if outdoors. 2. Evening routine. 1. Double cleansing. Start with an oil-based cleanser to remove sunscreen and makeup. Follow with a water-based cleanser for a thorough cleanse. 2. Exfoliation, 2 to 3 times a week. Removes dead skin cells to reveal smoother skin. Example: use a chemical exfoliant like glycolic acid, AHA, for dry skin or salicylic acid, BHA, for oily, acne-prone skin. 3. Treatment serum. Address specific concerns such as acne, pigmentation, or fine lines. Examples: retinol for anti-aging and acne. Start with a low concentration. Niacinamide for calming redness and controlling oil. 4. Moisturizer. Hydrate and repair your skin overnight with a nourishing moisturizer. Example: ceramide-based moisturizers to strengthen the skin barrier. 3. Weekly add-ons. 1. Clay mask. For oily or acne-prone skin, detoxifies skin and minimizes pores. 2. Hydrating mask. For dry or dehydrated skin, boosts hydration and soothes irritation. 3. Face steaming. Opens pores and enhances the penetration of skincare products. Follow with a mask or serum. 4. Lifestyle tips. Hydration. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily. 2. Diet. Focus on antioxidant-rich foods, berries, leafy greens, healthy fats, avocados, nuts, and lean proteins. Avoid excess sugar and processed foods. 3. Sleep. Get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep to promote skin repair. 4th, exercise. Regular exercise improves blood flow, giving your skin a healthy glow. 5. Stress management. Practice meditation or yoga to reduce cortisol levels, which can trigger skin issues. 5. Consistency is key. Stick to this routine for at least 4 to 6 weeks to start seeing significant results. Regularly assess and adjust based on your skin's needs. Achieving radiant and aesthetic skin isn't about quick fixes, it's about consistency and care. With this routine, a healthy lifestyle, and a little patience, your skin can transform into its best version. Let me know in the comments how this routine works for you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skin, fitness, and lifestyle tips. Remember, great skin starts with great care.